Looks familiar. How much time you're spending on retouching photos? Minutes, hours, maybe even days? What if I told you we have a few click solutions not only for photos but also for videos? Interested? Let us tell you more about them right now. Welcome, dear subscribers to our channel. My name is Dennis, and today I will introduce you to our video retouching plugin, Dodge&Burn OFX. So, let's get started. Main goal of the plugin is to save your precious time and accomplish the task in a couple of clicks. To apply the plugin, drag it from the library window to the node of your footage in the nodes window. Voila! You have retouched your footage. That was quick, wasn't it? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Retouching in a couple of clicks is great, but what if the plugin have worked where it shouldn't have? You may notice that the girl hairstyle also underwent smoothing in our example, and it doesn't look professional, so let's fix that. Click on the node number to disable its display with the plugin for better performance. Switch to the mask window and create a mask. In our case, it will be a circle, since we want the plugin to process only the face. Next, switch to the tracker tab, so the mask follows the object, and click Track Forward and Reverse. As you may already noticed, at the beginning of the frame, the mask does not match the dimensions. You can edit it and click Tracking again. And don't forget to enable the plugin node. Done! Now the plugin processes only the face. Don't forget to use node cache. This feature will greatly simplify your life. If we press the playback button, the result will most likely not be very impressive, because the plugin requires GPU resources. And in such conditions, normal viewing and playback are impossible, so let's fix that. Click on the playback menu item, from drop-down list select Render Cache and set the position to the user. Now, let's set the parameters for the node. Right-click on the node with the plugin, select the Node Cache menu item and switch it to the On. The node number will turn red and the rendering bar will appear above the footage node. Once it fills up with blue, the footage is ready to work. Now playback will be nice and smooth. To continue working on the footage, create another node, for example, Color Match, and continue working on it. Playback will not be affected. If working with the plugin is hard for your computer, then with the Fusion mode, you can operate only with Retouch4me. To do this, right-click in the node area and select Add Tool, Retouch4me OFX, Retouch4me Dodge&Burn OFX. Now, add the merge node from the panel above. Our task here is to split the input image into two nodes, Retouch4me Dodge&Burn OFX and Merge. Then, output the image from the plugin to the merge, and then from merge to the output image. Let's go to the plugin properties and check the Soft Light Layer checkbox. Press 1 on the keyboard or the left button on the node to output its image to the left area, while the right area will display the output image. Now, go to the Merge properties and set Apply Mode Soft Light. Done! Now you can adjust the intensity of the plugin without tedious load on your computer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video or write your comments, your wishes for our products. Stay tuned.